So welcome guys, today we talk about video editing. We use CapCut. So we have this example in my video. We need to show how to add subscribe text and how to add it overlay. So first you can split, you can do mirror. So mirror, what is mirror? Transform mirror. So we switch left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left, or rotation. Here's rotation. Wow. So this first, and we go here to mask. No, this is, and go to mask. Mask, where is mask? Yes, mask. We choose horizontal. Good. Okay. And go overlay. Wow, added overlay. So here you can use it to streaming and you can use it to reaction video. This good. Up, down. So text added, subscribe. Where is subscribe? Subscribe guys. Wow. This example here. So welcome guys, thank you, subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Thank you.